The world is changing fast. There was a time when making money meant working long hours at a job you didn't love, waiting for a paycheck that barely covered your expenses. People traded time for money, stuck in the endless cycle of working, spending, and waiting. But today, things are different. A new era has begun, an era where technology isn't just helping us work, it's working for us. And at the center of this revolution are two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. They aren't just fancy software or fun gimmicks, they are income-generating machines. And if you know how to use them the right way, they can help you build something most people only dream of: passive income. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phone not for work emails, but to see how much money you made while you were asleep. Imagine working once and getting paid over and over again. Imagine having the freedom to live life on your terms. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, it's real. And in this deep dive, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to create multiple streams of passive income. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an artist, a writer, or just someone looking for extra cash, this is your moment. Get ready, because by the end of this, you'll know how to turn AI into your own personal money-making machine. The rise of AI-powered passive income. We are living in an age where AI can think, write, and even create art. But what most people don't realize is that these tools aren't just for fun, they're assets. And if you know how to leverage them, they can generate income without you actively working. Let's break it down. Passive income means you do the work once, and the money keeps coming in. Unlike a traditional job, where you get paid only for the hours you work, passive income builds over time, growing into an automated stream of revenue. And thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever. There are countless ways to make money with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, but here are the most powerful ones. Selling AI-generated books and digital guides, creating and monetizing AI-generated art, selling AI-generated prompts, building AI-powered websites and blogs, offering AI-generated copywriting and content services, monetizing AI-generated courses and tutorials, selling AI-generated social media content, starting a YouTube automation channel, using AI, flipping AI-generated logos and designs, creating an AI-powered subscription service. Let's go through each of these step by step. 1. Selling AI-generated books and digital guides. One of the simplest ways to make passive income with ChatGPT is by selling books. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ebook topics based on trending niches. Have ChatGPT write the content for you in a structured, well-organized way. Format the ebook using Canva or Google Docs. Create an eye-catching cover using Midjourney AI. Sell your ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. 2. Creating and monetizing AI-generated art. Midjourney AI is a game-changer for digital artists. With just a few text prompts, you can create stunning, high-quality artwork that can be sold in multiple ways. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify. Digital downloads on Etsy. Selling AI-generated wallpapers and posters on Gumroad. People are making thousands of dollars every month by selling AI-generated art. And the best part? You don't need to be an artist, all you need is a great prompt. 3. Selling AI-generated prompts. Speaking of prompts, did you know people are paying for AI prompts? That's right. If you create unique, high-quality prompts that generate beautiful AI art, you can sell them on platforms like Prompt-Based Fiverr, Etsy. For example, you can sell a bundle of 100 unique Midjourney prompts for $20. And if 100 people buy it, that's $2,000 in passive income. 4. Building AI-powered websites and blogs. Imagine a blog that writes itself and makes money on autopilot. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality blog articles, fast optimize them for SEO, monetize with Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. You don't even need to write daily, just schedule posts ahead of time and let your blog work for you. 5. Offering AI-generated copywriting and content services. Businesses need content, a lot of it, and AI can help you provide it. Here's how you can make money. Offer AI-powered blog writing. Provide social media captions. Sell AI-generated product descriptions. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of clients looking for AI-assisted writers. And once you have templates, you can deliver work in minutes and scale your earnings. 6. Monetizing AI-generated courses and tutorials. Knowledge sells. And with ChatGPT, you can create and sell courses without ever stepping in front of a camera. Use ChatGPT to write course scripts, create AI-generated voiceovers with tools like ElevenLabs, design slides and visuals with Midjourney AI. Sell your courses on Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad. Once your course is online, students can enroll forever, generating passive income. 7. Selling AI-generated social media content. Businesses, influencers, and brands need constant content. You can create and sell AI-generated Instagram captions, AI-powered tweet threads, automated LinkedIn posts. A simple package of 100 AI-generated posts can sell for $50 plus. And you can sell it to unlimited clients. 8. Starting a YouTube automation channel using AI. YouTube automation is a goldmine. With AI, you can generate scripts with ChatGPT, create voiceovers with AI narration, make thumbnails with Midjourney, edit videos using AI tools like Runway ML. YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing will pay you for years after you upload your videos. Closing. The future of AI-powered passive income. We are standing at the edge of a financial revolution. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And those who take action today will be the ones who control the wealth of tomorrow. The choice is yours. You can keep trading time for money, or you can build something that makes money for you. AI is your secret weapon. Use it wisely. And remember, opportunities are endless, but only if you take the first step. Now go make it happen. We've covered a lot. You now have a complete roadmap to making passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. You've seen how AI can write books, create art, automate businesses, and generate money while you sleep. But here's the thing: information is useless without action. Right now, there are two kinds of people watching this. The first kind will nod along, feel inspired for a moment, and then go back to their daily routine, scrolling on social media, watching another video, or procrastinating on their dreams. A week from now, nothing will have changed for them. A month from now, they'll still be in the same place. A year from now, they'll be wondering why their life looks exactly the same. But the second kind of person takes action. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They don't make excuses. They start now, even if they don't have all the answers, even if they're not sure where it will lead. Because here's the secret: success doesn't come from knowing, it comes from doing. So which one are you? Will you be the person who looks back a year from now, still stuck in the same cycle? Or will you be the one who took action, built something real, and started making money in your sleep? Right now, you have everything you need. ChatGPT is free to use. Midjourney is just a small investment. The internet is full of opportunities, so don't let this be just another video you watch. Let this be the moment that changes everything. Start today. Take one idea from this video and run with it. Whether it's writing an ebook, selling AI-generated art, or launching a faceless YouTube channel, just start. Because a year from now, you'll either wish you had, or be grateful that you did. The choice is yours. And trust me, your future self is watching. What will you do next?